Ladies and gents, welcome back again for a new video. I hope you're all doing good. And today we're going to be talking about Mico, or let's say the new Clippy as Microsoft want to advertise it. Now, before I talk about Mico, let's just talk about Clippy. For people that doesn't know what Clippy is, it's basically an office assistant. This was released back in 1997 with Microsoft's Office 97, where you will be doing your office work and Clippy will be somewhere in the bottom of your screen asking you if you need help. Now, the problem with Clippy is, for beginners, it was amazing because it will definitely help by telling you what to do and how to use Microsoft's Office Word or Excel, or even helping you type in your emails. But for people that didn't know how to use Microsoft's Office apps, Clippy was annoying because it will keep popping up all the time asking you if you need help. Back then, everyone considered Clippy a failure, but believe it or not, a couple decades later, we believe that Clippy was the best thing that Microsoft ever created. But now let's just move on to Mico. What is Mico? It's an AI assistant that will help you do things here and there. And of course, it will be similar to Clippy because it will have animations and it will interact with you just like Clippy did back in the days. And to be honest with you guys, I don't think that Mico will be as successful. The reason why is that us users are now stupid. Not just because you used Clippy to advertise Mico, that doesn't mean we'll like it. And by the way, they added even a Clippy, I don't know, a Clippy icon, no, a Clippy version of Mico that you could select somewhere in this setting, and it will change this ugly thing into Clippy. But still, even if you replace this with Clippy, what could change? It's Copilot after all. There is no difference whatsoever. It's exactly the same as before. Sadly, I still don't have access to this new AI because it's only available in the US, I believe. It's still not available worldwide. But by the time this ugly thing will be available everywhere, then I will definitely give it a try. Rather than that, I would say that Mico will be another failure and Microsoft will fail again to advertise their annoying Copilot's AI. Besides the bad reputation that now Microsoft has about collecting data and not giving a single by users of Microsoft services. Also take a look at this. Microsoft's new AI character is basically Clippy for 2025, a really short article, and I'm sure you will find a lot of those online, which I would call misleading articles. You will even find content, videos, anything that can give you that kind of information, misleading information. You'll find that everywhere. Now, the problem is that Microsoft is trying to force it, they're trying to do exactly what they did before with Cortana. I'm not sure if you guys remember Cortana. That was first introduced back with Windows 10. It's also an assistant that will help you do things here and there, but it was horrible. And I mean, it was horrible. And back then, they did exactly what they did now, advertising Cortana as the new Clippy. It's your new assistant that will help you with whatever you need help. And guess what? It's failed. So I'm not going to be surprised if Mico failed as well. Microsoft, please, we're not stupid. Not because you added an interactive character to Copilot or whatever AI you're going to be using, that means we're going to get interested in that. Well, I'm not a big fan of Microsoft anymore, or Windows or whatever. But what I'm trying to say is that people are now stupid. They have a brain. So by the time Mico will be available everywhere, make sure you give it a try just to see how horrible it is. And if you live in the US and if you already have Mico, then let us know in the comments. How was your experience with it? I'll see you in the next one.